everyone. Let's just see if this is working properly. So what I'm gonna do now is waiting for a high 2 in this trading range. You see here we have yesterday's high body and last week's high body. As I mentioned last week, this is still the bottom of the trading range, and we had a rejection here. Now a two-legged move to the upside, strong rejection up here. But this bullish move here should have a kind of second leg up, and we're just trying to catch this one. We could actually buy in here with a limit order. At the breakout point, but if this bar is a kind of bullish bar, I will just buy it right away with a stop order. As you see here, the bars are pretty big. So you need to be careful about your position size. But I'm trying to catch at least a high one. Or a high 2, let's see. I'm probably need to tighten the stop because the position would be too big. We now have a kind of two-legged move down. This could already be the second leg of this bearish bar. I think this was a rejection. I'm just getting with a market order.
Order filled.
This is fine. And I'll scale in with a limit order below this bar, because this is a very bad sell signal, and I'll just try to take advantage of this. The worst case scenario is that this was the second push up, and we are now getting a reversal all the way down, and this could already be the rejection and the lower high. In this case, we will have a losing trade, but I hope for a leg 1, leg 2 and a trading range, and this would be then somewhere here, up here. This is what I hope for. Let's see if this works out. As you see, I have a funded account again. I just cleared the stage today. I'll probably make a video about how I did it after the live trading session. If this buy order gets hit, I can reduce my take profit target a little. Maybe this was a early buy, but actually I bought the close of this bear bar, which is not a bad trade, and the train of thought is still intact. So yes, this is actually a EMA gap bar, a very strong one, shaved bars. So there are buyers somewhere, and they are probably not disappearing. They wanna at least test the height somewhere of this area, and yeah. Let's just double check the measured move target. Yes, that's not too greedy, but we need to keep in mind also, or watch closely, the evolving price action. What is happening right here? We have a double bottom bull flag at what could be a 1, 2, or a 1, 2, 3 wedge double, a wedge move, or a micro high, a double micro high 2, but I say micro high 2. But this could also be a wedge move to the upside, and still we have maybe breakout to the downside and a test here. Also a bad sell signal bar just yet. Just waiting for how it's going to evolve. Too bad the chart executions are gone from today, where I passed the evaluation. We are still below the moving average. Need to be careful if this is a kind of reversal right here. Always need to be vigilant. This bar barely made it above the other bar. Still, we are in overlapping bars. We have no clear direction as of now. It's still a trading range, a small one. There. And it's also the middle of the bigger trading range here. And the middle of a trading range always acts as a magnet, as you probably know. So that's trading live. It's pretty boring. And I don't always have the time to do it live. Oftentimes I just peek at the charts and see some kind of scalp trades that I can take, or a kind of swing trade that I can take fast. L. Brooks calls them the swing trades, the Walmart trades. You just enter and go for a walk and come back and look what happened. These are the kind of trades you can take as a worker a day when you're in a job working the day. You don't have a lot to mind about. Still, you probably always will think about these trades. They haunt you and you want to go to the computer, laptop or mobile phone and peek at them. But yeah. So now we have a wedge kind of move, but still they are all bull bars. So you see there is selling pressure, but the end of the bars get bought. They get bought until the close of the bar, or at least well above the midpoint, and this is a buying pressure. And also these bull bars here, they are pretty strong, and after such strong bull bars you would expect a kind of rest by the bulls, to step aside and look what's happening, to then return or not to return. Still, after all this buying, it's very unlikely that you have a reversal right away. At least some push to the upside like this one. But if we now get a kind of double top move somewhere here, it would probably be better to just exit. But I want to give the trade the room that it needs. I probably could raise my stop to, could I? I'm not sure. Well, this entry got tested enough, I think. If it now returns down here, the trade is probably not valid anymore, and I think I need to watch around here to second entry long again. So I spare myself 300 euros when it catches here. Well, the worst thing that could happen is and I'm out and never see the market again. But I think that's not the most likely thing to happen right now. So I'll probably make the video about how I passed the funded challenge today. And make a catchy thumbnail with ChatGPT. Because YouTube has grown to a kind of passion project to me. Maybe I can help make YouTube a better place besides all these fake pundits. You see, now we had a very strong bar, but still it's in the trading range. The most likely event is a sell here in the trading range. So selling here is a very good point to reduce the position size. But I have no room to reduce my position size because I can only take one contract to not oversize too much. And you see, so I cannot take something out just yet. My actual risk is $212.50. That is what the market actually moved against me. My initial risk was 737. So it's trade management says it's not a bad thing to take out at 1-to-1 with a high probability trade, but this is a swing trade. It's not a high probability trade for me. It's a medium probability trade at best. So I take for a 2-to-1. That would be 400. I surpassed that already, but I think we have, with all this buying pressure, room to the upside. So I'll just go for the initial, like I have here, the measured move target, and I always be very, try to be very humble and not try to be greedy. So I will get filled eventually, and this would be a 1-to-1 R, actually 1-to-1 pretty much with my initial risk. So if the market moved against me from the beginning and I did a limit order entry, so that could have happened, or I tried to take a limit order entry but took a market order entry at the close. Yes, so it wouldn't be unlikely to just plummet down, and this would leave me with a loss of 720 euros. Dollars, sorry, we're trading dollars. $720, and this is what I try to make up for with this trade. But as I told you, the actual risk, this is what pretty much counts, is 225. So we have a very, very nice trade setup, and yeah, it worked out pretty well till now. So if this is now a very strong rejection bar to the upside, or a hesitation bar, I just will probably close the trade. But this looks strong body. We have growing bodies, and we are not the measured move, so we need to assess. We just have a breakout above the EMA, and this could be an entry bar, so it's likely to get tested. This is nothing unusual here, and also the trading range gets tested right now. Double top bull flag. I am calculating, we are in an uptrend. I'm calculating at least with a move up here. Like I said, if we are experiencing something crazy right now, I'll just have to go out, but hopefully not. But you never know. This is not a high probability trade. For the stage to actually get funded, I only took high probability trades. But you don't see them here, so I just marked them. You have to believe me when I tell you how I got funded, because my evil account turned to an express funded account, so you don't see the entries actually anymore. I cannot prove my entries. That's a bummer. Too bad. So I'm turning into YouTube already. I cannot claiming stuff I cannot prove. this is very common trading range behavior, bars with tails. But this is a breakout bar above the trading range. We have something that, like right now, looks a rejection, but can change still. And even though this turns into bear bar, I would probably now, after this bullishness, either wait for a kind of confirmation like a second entry, or I'd scale in short, but I wouldn't want to scale in short because we have a rising moving average. And this is a strong rejection, but you never know if this is just a higher time frame, high 1, and developing into a high 2 later. So I wouldn't go short here. I don't want to go short here. I'd rather just close my trade and watch. Or I'm in pretty much, I'm in a good profit for today. I already had trading to the funded account. I'm not sure if I want to trade more if this doesn't work out the way I want to. So you see, this could be right now a reversal inside the trading range. If it's a very strong reversal inside the trading range, I wouldn't want to hold the trade because it's a breakout pullback. I would just go out below this bar, well knowing that it could be faking me out, but you know, I will just do this right away. Even if I'm get a fake out. So is this a breakout pullback, an I pattern? It's almost an inside bar pattern, looking like a breakout mode. This could go going to be the last push before a reversal, and I think I have enough right now. I'm not risking anymore.
Order filled.
So well, that was it for me. I won't be risking, you see, all the profits till now. Let's say here that I enter here. So my initial profit target was a measured move thing, and I was already here. So I would risk all the way from here to around here to make this. This is a logical decision to not to. So I weren't able to scale out here, and you know, it's not about being right or having the greatest take profit target. This is an inside bar variant, and I am not risking anything. So, well, this was me live trading again, and I'm just now making the video. It will be a very catchy YouTuber video because I'm identifying as a YouTuber right now. Awesome. Great. So see you.